You search for how to buy shares of Stardust Power Inc., a company in the power generation and energy storage sector. Stardust Power Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SDST, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy SDST, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the eToro search bar and type the ticker SDST to find Stardust Power Inc. Select the result that matches the company name and NASDAQ listing to open its asset page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent activity. Confirm the listing displays NASDAQ and the SDST ticker to ensure it's the correct stock. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can review it anytime. For the platform used in this walkthrough, see the link in the description.